Today's concept applications of determinants.
Consistency of three equations in two variables. So equations are the three expressed in the two variables, that is x and y. Let us see. Consider the system of three linear equations in the two variables as a x and y. Equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1. Only two variables x and y. Constant is c1. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Next, a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. These three equations are said to be consistent condition if they have a common solution. Simply here, these three equations represent a straight lines. If you are solving any two equations, you will get the point of intersection of that particular lines. Suppose first line a1x plus b1y plus c1 getting in this way. Second line a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is second line. These two lines are get intersecting anywhere in the space. You will getting point of intersection. That point of intersection gives value for x and y. Value for x and y. This x and y is obtained from first two equations. Then the third line also passes through the same point of intersection. Third line also passes through the same point of intersection. So this value for x and y, if you put in third equation, then third equation also get satisfied. So hence these three equations are said to be consistent. To check equations are consistent or not using determinant, if you put values for coefficient of x in first column, coefficient of y in second column, and constant in the third column, and then solving determinant, we get value for determinant as 0. So statement is given here. The necessary condition for the equations, three equations in two variables to be consistent is determinant value compulsory 0. So we say that three equations are consistent. Question: examine the consistency of following equations. Equations are 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, and 11x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. In the problem, we have provided three equations in two variables. To check consistency of equations, method for solving sum. First, write given equations as it is in the answer. These three equations are said to be consistent if the value of determinant is 0. So by condition of consistency, consider determinant, that is coefficients of x column, coefficient of y column, and constant. In standard we write as a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, and c1, c2, c3. This constant represent coefficient of x column first, coefficient of y as a second column, and constant third column. Determinant D is obtained here. First column for coefficient of x 2, 3, 11. Check here. Second column for y coefficients -1, 1, and 2. And last for constants 3, -2, and -3. Solving determinant along first row. Elements for first row 2, -1, 3. We take alternating plus minus sign. So plus minus plus. So this minus minus will change as a plus. and corresponding subdeterminants. First element 2, eliminated that row and column, remaining entries 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3 here. Minus minus plus, eliminated that column and the row, remaining elements 3 minus 2, 11 minus 3 in next determinant, and plus 3 times of last row column eliminated, remaining 3, 1, 11, 2. Now solving the determinants, we get 2 times of minus 3 minus minus plus 4. Next, plus 1 into minus 9 plus 22, plus 3 times of 3 into 2, 6, minus of 11 into 1, 11. Check for finally total here is obtained. 1 multiplied 2 is 2. Next here, minus 9 plus 22, total is 13. And last, 6 minus 11, that is minus 5. Minus 5 multiplied with 3, minus of 15. Total 2 plus 13, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Determinant value is obtained 0. That means given these equations are consistent. Problem second. Equations given: 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Second equation, x plus 2y is equal to 3. And third, 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. To check these three equations are consistent or not. For solution of problem, given equations are: one thing is here, for solving determinant after equations, that equations constant all three terms, constants of all three equations, that terms are keep at either all to the left hand side, otherwise all are shift to the right hand side by your choice. Check here in these given equations, minus 4 constant at left hand side, 5 is also at left hand side, only these 3 is at right hand side. So simply these 3 shift to the left hand side, only 1. So these given equations can be changed as: first as it is, second change, x plus 2y, 3 shifted left hand side become minus 3 equal to 0. Second, 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. These three equations to check consistent or not. So by condition of consistency, consider determinant value for coefficient of x as a first column, coefficient of y as a second column, and third constant term in the third column. We get determinant D as 2, 1, 3 as a first column. Second column 3, 2, 4 elements. And last minus 4, minus 3 and 5. Solving, we get along first row plus sign, plus sign, alternating. Determinant obtained 2 times of 2 minus 3, 4, 5. Minus 3 times of 1, minus 3, 3 and 5. And last minus 4 times of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now solving determinant of order 2. 2 multiplied 5 into 2, 10. Minus of 4 into minus 3, minus 12. It becomes minus minus plus. 10 plus 12. Minus 3 times of 5. Minus minus again plus 9. Minus 4 times of 4 minus 6. Next calculation. 12 plus 10. 22, 22 double 44. 5 plus 9, 14, 14 3 times 42. And last 4 minus 6 minus of 2 into minus 4. It must be the plus 8. Total 42, 44 minus 42. Difference is 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Determinant answer is obtained 10, which is not equal to 0. That means these three given equations are inconsistent or not consistent.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.